Here is 3 question which is based on algebraic expression. First one, which is number 4. Here is number 4 because number 1 to 3 we already solved in last video. In this video we are starting from number 4. Look, if 2x plus 2 by x equals to 3, what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square? So here given 2x plus 2 by x equals to 3. So here is given and we have to find out the result of x square plus 1 by x square. Look, here x square and 1 by x square. That's why we can take common here 2. So here is x plus 1 by x equals to 3, right? And then once you divide both sides by 2, here x plus 1 by x equals to 3 by 2. We can write divide both sides by 2. Side note is very important and it's helping to make solution very easily. Now look, we get x plus 1 by x 3 by 2. Once we make solution, we can use two methods. Method 1, here we can square both sides. So x plus 1 by x whole square equals to 3 by 2 square. So we can write here x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 times x times 1 by x plus 1 by x equals to 9 divide 4. Why we write this one? Because it's looking a plus b, right? So we know about a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we are following this rule, and here x and x out. Here is x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square equals to 9 by 4, right? And then we can write x square plus 1 by x square equals to 9 by 4 minus 2. And this one we can write LCM is 4. So 9 minus 2 times 4 is 8. Our result is 1 by 4. Okay. This is our result. And method 2. We have to find out the result of what? X square plus 1 by x square. So we can write here x square plus 1 by x square. It's looking a square plus b square. We know the theory, a plus b whole square minus 2 times a b. So this one also we can write like this, x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 times x times 1 by x. So x and x out. So x plus 1 by x, we already get the result, which is 3 by 2. 3 by 2, and here is square 2. And look, 9 divide 4 minus 2. So now it's looking same. Look here, 9 by 4 minus 2, and here is also 9 by 4 minus 2. So we can write LCM 4, 9 minus 8, and result is 1 by 4. Any kinds of method we can follow. So here is two things. One method we are following, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Another method we are following, a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Both are right. Any method you can follow. And number 4 done. Any question? Just write a line in the comment section. Now number 4. Number 5. If a plus 1 by a equals to 2, show that a square plus 1 by a square equals to a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4. So here is two things. One is a square plus 1 by a square, and another one is a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4. Both result should be same. Otherwise we cannot prove a square plus 1 by a square equals to a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4, and we get something which is a plus 1 by a equals to 2. So here we know the theory, which is, we can write here like a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Similar, we can write like this, a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2ab. ab means a times 1 by a and a out, a plus 1 by a, it means 2, so square, and here is 2, so 2 square means 4 minus 2, answer is 2. Okay, first part complete. Second part, a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4, we can write like this, a square and again square, 1 by a square and square. So this one we can write similar formula, a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So we can write a square plus 1 by a square whole square minus 2 times a square times 1 by a square. So a square and a square out, and first question we already found the result, a square plus 1 by a square equals to 2. So we can write here 2 and square minus 2, so 2 square means 4 minus 2, answer is 2. Look here, a square plus 1 by a square equals to 2, and here also a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 equals to 2. So we can write, so a square plus 1 by a square equals to a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 and showing. Okay, or we can write solve, anything you can write. So number 5 done, and last question number 6. Let's start. It's the more important any of this. Here is a plus b equals to root 7, a plus b, it's not a plus b, actually here is a minus b, printing mistake. So we can write here minus, right, this is a minus, a minus b equals to root 5, and prove that 8ab times a square plus b square equals to 24. Let's start. So first we can write, given a plus b equals to root 7 and a minus b equals to root 5. So we have to prove 8ab times a square plus b square equals to 25. So first left hand side, which is 8ab a square plus b square, and specific, this one has no theory, this one has some theory, but we can write like this, 4ab times 2, it means 8ab, and here is a square plus b square. Another thing, 4ab has a theory and 2 times a square plus b square has also a theory. So we know 4ab means a plus b whole square and minus a minus b whole square. This one is a theory of what? Square. So this one, hope you understand this one, because here is, we will get like this, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and here we can get minus a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? And so here is a square plus 2ab plus b square, then minus a square minus and minus plus 2ab, and then plus and minus minus b square. So naturally we can out a square minus a square, b square minus b square. So here we can get plus 2ab, again plus 2ab. So here is 4ab. Therefore against 4ab we can write a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, and we can make bracket, and now 2a square plus b square. Against this one we can write a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Why this one? because once we make plus here, we can get like this. Against a plus b whole square, we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square, and then plus. Against a minus b whole square, we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. And finally, look, plus 2ab and minus 2ab out. So here is one a square, another a square, b square, another b square. So here is 2a square and 2b square. It means 2a square plus b square. Now look, a plus b means root 7 minus a minus b means root 5 square, right? Again root 7 square plus root 5 square. Okay, now look, root 7 square means only 7, root 5 square means only 5. So 7 minus 5. Again here is 7 plus 5. 7 minus 5 means 2, 7 plus 5 means 12, and finally we get 24. And look, this is a right hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side. So it's a proven or proved. Very easy and very simple. These kinds of simple terms of examination, simple types of exam preparation we need, and carefully we will handle this one, because in algebra plus and minus is a very dangerous thing. Sometimes silly mistake can make to get 0. So no more today. We are trying to solve 3 math for exam preparation of algebraic expression. If you have any question, just write a line in the comments box, and if you think this is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.